The morning report for the 29th of December 2009. Yes, I'm back from my Christmas break. My cruise to Fittler was wonderful. But what's been going on for the last week while I've been away? Look, basically the markets have been going up, up, up and up. We're currently sitting around 4,790 points in the close before Christmas, and today the market's moved further. We're currently on 4,833 points. So we've seen some good growth in the market over the Christmas period. Now this is a little bit surprising. I expected it to be a little bit slow over this period, and certainly for the market to sit on hold, waiting to see what the retail sales figures come in like. Now we're still hearing that the retail sales figures will not be spectacular, but they certainly should be solid. And this will be a big pointer as to see how our economy is going over this period of time. Now don't forget, we've had a couple of interest rate hikes recently, so that will slow things down a little bit, but retail sales here and in the US are pretty important to see how our economy is going if we're back on track. Now the Dow Jones didn't move much at all last night. It was up 0.3 to close at 10,547. S&P 500 was flat. The Nasdaq was also flat, and the FTSE put on 0.6% to close up 5,402. As I mentioned, our market put on 1.1% just before on Christmas Eve to close at 4,791 and is pushing higher today. Now the gold price is what we need to look at, and that's been dropping back a little bit. It is back to $1,107 an ounce. It was up slightly overnight, but certainly has come off its highs of $1,200 an ounce. And I expect that what we're seeing there is people moving out of gold and back into the market. There's some pretty good yields out there. I put out my top 10 yielding stocks for next year a couple of weeks ago, and certainly can do very well by buying these stocks as opposed to term deposits. So I'm starting to think the money is starting to flow back into the market and out of the gold. Keep in mind that the gold price is moving on futures and not on physical sales. Oil price is up 2.2% to close at $78 a barrel, and the Aussie dollar has started to slide back, is now at 89 US cents, and we could expect to see this continue to fall. And certainly if the US market does have good retail sales, we see the banking sector over there start to recover and raise capital, and interest rates to move in the US, we could expect to see our US dollar fall back a little bit further. We've still got an average price of US dollar of 92 cents per dollar, but we'll have to wait and see how that plays out over the coming weeks. For more information, go to our website at growyourwealth.com.au.